and welcome to Lou Designs. My name is Lou, and in this channel, I share easy to follow tips, tutorials, and resources about websites, funnels, graphic design, branding, and more. So if you love those topics, be sure to subscribe. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create your custom Instagram link in bio page in Canva. Now, if you're not a design savvy, you don't really have to worry because we're not going to start from scratch. We can start with a template. So in your Canva search bar, search for link in bio, hit enter, and then you can select Canva template and just find a design, a vibe that feels aligned with you. Now you don't have to overthink this because you're gonna add your own brand colors, your brand fonts, but just the overall vibe. So I like simple, so let's choose this one. Now the first thing that I want you to do is to change the file name. You can add your own name dash or your brand's name dash link in bio. Hit enter so that all changes will be saved. You have to know what your links will be, what you're gonna add in your link in bio. So here you'll notice that this is for a photographer. So of course she had this hero image that's kind of related to her field. There is this hamburger icon here, so I don't think that we need this. Search bar, I don't think we need this. So you can add your name here, your profession or what you're doing. You can even add your mission statement here. And then if you have maybe a podcast, you can add a link here, email, website. So I'm kind of happy with this layout. We're just gonna tweak this a little. So I'd like to add maybe a flat lay of a teal background. Then I can adjust this. You can add your own photo, then drag that in the circle. You can adjust the scale by double clicking and adjusting the corners, moving around. Then you can change the background photo or background color. You can change that to your brand. So I'm gonna choose my brand kit here. Select that brand kit, change the background color. And then you can add your brand's name here, change it to your brand fonts, or you can even add your logo here. Change this to my brand font, and you can replace this with your own title. And then the three main things that I would like to promote, you have to really think about what makes your link in bio converting. So I'm thinking of promoting my lead magnet, my design services, and my website. So these are the three main things that I really love to highlight in my bio. So I'm gonna delete these two, and then I can adjust the size of these shapes. Actually, I'm gonna delete these two first because what I'll do is I'll adjust the size, adjust the corner rounding, and maybe remove the border. Gonna delete this first. So the first thing that I'd like to promote is my lead magnet. Now this is what I'd like to do. I'd like my audience to have like an overview of what they're gonna download. So I'm gonna add a mock-up of my lead magnet here. Just this a little. And if you've noticed, there is a texture in the background, so I don't want that, so I'm gonna delete that. So this is just a plain background. I'm gonna add a mock-up of my lead magnet. So I'm just gonna create a mock-up of my lead magnet real quick. And I'm gonna add a shadow so that it pops. Just gonna add a simple glow shadow, and then I'll adjust the size. of this. Just gonna add the name of my lead magnet here. Just a call to action. Grab your free website checklist here. Maybe we can add a line. Position this, align the elements to middle, change the color here, and then we can group this first, duplicate, and I'm gonna add another link. Check out my design, or maybe design packages. Let's ungroup first so we can align this in the middle. And then I can add like a mock-up of my design packages. And then I'm gonna group this again. I'll go to my website and create a mock-up. I'll take a screenshot of my entire website first. I'm gonna save this as PNG, and I'm gonna duplicate this, ungroup, and I'm gonna add that screenshot of my website. Since this is too long, I can cut this in half. So I'm gonna duplicate this first. Then I'm gonna crop this right in the middle, and this one in the middle as well, but the bottom part. And what I'll do is I'll add a shadow. Let's change this, visit my website. Let's group this again. And now we have my 3 main offerings here. So what you can do is, if you have other social media to promote, you can add an icons here. So I'd like to promote my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna just find an icon that I can use here, add it below. And I also want to promote my LinkedIn because some of my clients might be on or might prefer to connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll adjust the size and change the color. And now you can add the links to this. I'm gonna grab the link of my lead magnet, click this text, right click, add link. I'm gonna paste my link here, click done, and I'm gonna remove the underline. This one, I'm gonna add my services page. I'm just gonna grab the link here, right click, click link, enter. I'll move the underline, and finally my website. Copy the link, right click, click link, hit enter, remove underline. Then of course my YouTube channel, so I'm gonna copy the link to my YouTube channel, right click, select link, hit enter, and for finally my LinkedIn profile. I'm gonna copy this and add it here. Done. This is pretty much basically it. Next is we're gonna publish this as a website. So click share, click see all, and then click website. You can change this, make this shorter if you like. Maybe I can make this link in bio. Be sure that the words are separated in dash or with dash. You can edit the publish settings. You can add the website description here. Advanced settings, there is more you can do here. Okay, so click publish website. And now you can add this link. You can copy this and add this to your link in bio. Okay, so now let's test this on mobile.
That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, share this with your friends, like this video, and subscribe. See you on the next one.